Well, did I have a blonde moment? Is the name Ocean Cleanser, and I'm wondering what this is? Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. In case you are new, Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 53 years old, but I still love and enjoy makeup, skincare, and doing unboxing videos. If you have landed on my channel because you're interested in what I received in the July Allure box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Okay, I'm super excited. I had subscribed to Allure last year for 3 months, I believe. 3 or 4 months. And it was getting a little stale, and I was kind of like, ugh. And of course, so I canceled it in November. Guess what happened in December? A spectacular box that was it Anastasia Beverly Hills or Tarte? I want to say ABH. Regardless, all the stuff, there were so many good full size, and then at that point I was pissed that I had canceled, and I'm just like, whatever, I'm over it. And then I started subscribing to Glossy Box, which is like $21 a month, and you get small items like you do in Allure. And then I was like, you know what, that Allure box is pretty good, and it's only $15. So I decided to go back and subscribe to Allure. So this is my first box since I stopped subscribing, and let's open it up. Feels pretty heavy. Let's see what we got. For anyone who's new, Allure is a magazine, and I'm sure you've seen tons of advertisements or websites that give a stamp of approval saying Allure Best Buy or Allure Favorite. They started a box a while back. It's $15 a month, and you get 5 to 6 products, typically travel size, deluxe sample. However, you will get 1 to 2 on lucky months, full-size products. So let's dig in and see what we got. They do provide a little pamphlet with pricing, but if they're travel size, it won't give travel, but it'll let you know what the full-size value is. Inside the box comes with some tissue paper. Let's see if I'm going to regret signing up for this one again. All right. First item. Ooh, it feels heavy. What is this? This is the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. You know I like skincare. What is a refining serum? Alright, this is what the product looks like. I think this is full size. Feels very heavy. Yes, this is 40 milliliters, 1.35 fluid ounces. So for skincare, this is full size. And it retails for $39. This serum has hyaluronic acid and peptides and will plump up your skin and make it look glowy. Oh my god, Allure? This paid for the box like twice over plus. Good job. All right, next item. This is OSEA or OSEA is the brand, and this is an ocean cleanser. What is that? Safe skincare. Not sure what this is. Let's take it out of the box. Ew, seaweed looks good on you. Okay, it seems to be some sort of skincare product. Let's see what the booklet has to say. Okay, it says OSEA Ocean Cleanser. Well, did I have a blonde moment? Is the name Ocean Cleanser, and I'm wondering what this is? Could it be a cleanser? So it is a cleanser. Full size is $48. This is 0.6 fluid ounces or 18 milliliters. So I'm going to assume this is a deluxe sample. Okay, I'm so glad that took me that long to figure out. Next item. Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. Wait, lip and cheek? Now I'm curious. Alright, this is going to be one of those little boxes that takes 10 minutes to open. Be right back. Alright, so this is one of those super tiny, it feels glass. I don't know if you can see, like, there's so little product in here. Like, because you got a lid and then the glass, and alright. But it feels very heavy because I think it's real glass. Let's see what the pamphlet has to say. Beautaniq Beauty Butter Lip and Cheek Balm. So you can put it on your lips or use it as blush. It retails for $16. And I want to say that this is actually the full size product. I wish it would say the milliliters for the price they give, but it doesn't. Alright, so that would be interesting. It's sealed. I don't want to open it up, but that's pretty decent. Alright, next product. Ooh, Natasha Denona eyeshadow. Natasha Denona has some really good eyeshadows. This will be a single pan. Please be a color I can wear. What do we predict? Bright blue? I am 2 for 2 today on eyeshadow colors that are something boring and neutral that I would wear. And that rarely happens. Oh, wait. Okay. So it looked a little more boring through this kind of plastic cover. I can still pull this off, but when I open it, it's not quite as that boring. It's a very copper, shiny color, which is lovely and goes with so many different skin tones. Okay. And that, I like the packaging for a little single. I thought it was just going to be like a little round with nothing. That is nice packaging. All right, let's see what the price is. Okay, the card does not mention anything about this eyeshadow, so I'm wondering if it was like a free gift since I signed back up. I'm going to assume that. Let's go with that. All right, next item. I have received this at least 2 other times in different beauty boxes, possibly even in an Allure box. This is the Sunday Riley Ice Cream, writing too small to read, Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. And this is definitely a sample. Full size is $65. These are nice to travel with if and when COVID ends and we can travel. Okay, so the next item, it just so happened, I rarely break out. I know you all are going to hate me, but I was getting like a zit here. I can still feel it, but I don't know if you can see it. And off of Amazon, I'd bought some acne patches that I put on last night. And when I woke up, it was like, wasn't hurting, wasn't red, and they work miracles. So the irony of when I actually have acne and receiving this is fantastic. This is by a brand called Avarelle, and you get 8 clear patches. So these are fantastic. I put makeup on over them too. And the last item is a charcoal pore care. I'm assuming this is a face mask. This mask is soaked with serum and salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and hyaluronic acid. All right. And they retail for $3. All right. So I'm excited to get a Allure box again. Let's recap on what we got. So we got a charcoal mask. We got some acne patches. We got a cleansing cream. We got a lip balm slash cheek blush, 2-in-1 product, and a lovely peach and lily serum. Oh, and then I forgot. And a Sunday Riley little teeny sample size of their Ceramide cream. That is a really good Allure box. $15. You more than get your money's worth. Alright, comment down below. Do you subscribe to Allure? Or you like me and stopped getting it right when it got good. I'm super excited. All right, so I want to thank you for watching, but before you leave, stay tuned for some information on my first ever giveaway. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Stay tuned. Thank you so much for stopping by and sticking this out. If you enter the contest, you will get some fantastic products. And if you have a friend come over that you referred and they mention that you were the one who referred them, I will give you not one but 2 additional entries into the giveaway. So help me grow my channel, and thank you again for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Thanks, everyone.